Hi all, welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I'm going to use the Cosori Pressure Cooker. Now I've never used one before. I remember my mum having one when we were children and being afraid of them, and I am a bit nervous about it, using it. Because there was so many mishaps when my mother used to use it. There was one time where, cause you remember the old ones, they were metal with the metal things, that flew off one time and hit the ceiling, and so yeah, so I think I've got a trauma from pressure cookers, so I wouldn't have bought it, to be perfectly honest. Vincent bought it in a deal with the air fry oven. But I'm willing to give it a go and overcome any of my fears with it, and hopefully it's not too complicated to use. So today we're going to cook a ham, a joint of ham. So we're going to do cabbage and ham and potatoes. I'm going to see how that cooks in my Cosori air pressure cooker. Hey. Right, just going to put my apron on. I've asked Vincent to come up and help me with the, because I'm a bit nervous about using it. Oh God, I don't want to blow myself up. As I said, you know, trauma from being a child. Anyway, I've just gone through the manual, and I've took the lid off, so I'm going to have a go. So I'll pop the ham in first. I don't know whether to put this in or not. Maybe I will. Yeah, I'll pop that in and then pop the ham on top. I actually got this ham from Sligo for €20, and I cut it in half. It was quite big. I think it's from the food centre there up near Mr Price. They had a special offer on. It's great value. It's just like they were coming out of date, so cutting them in half and freezing them, saving money in the long run. Fantastic. Can't go wrong, can you? I've got my joint in here now. You can soak it for an hour or so beforehand or overnight. It's up to yourself. Just to get rid of any excess salt or anything, but we won't be having salt in our dinner whatsoever anyway. I'm going to put 2 cups of water in it. I'm hoping it's going to be enough. Put up some cabbage, just your white cabbage. I'll be putting that in the juice of the ham, because I want to use the juice for the cabbage, and you know, to put on the potato, to use a little bit in with the potatoes as well. So I'm going to put 2 cups of water in. That's me 2 cups of water in with the ham. Right, I'm going to wait now for Vincent. Okay, see you in a minute. Right, I've plugged it in and Vincent's here now, so for moral support. Is it on? Oh, now it's on. Right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to put it on for 30 minutes on high pressure. I think that might do it, because I did look at somebody else doing it, so I'm not 100% sure because I couldn't find much on it. But we'll give it a go. I can always put it on longer if it didn't do it right. Right, okay. Pressure, I think that's how we do it. Right, so the lid's right. Okay, the lid's on. Pressure cook. I'm going to bring it up to 30 just to be on the safe side, because it's a big joint of ham. So I don't want to keep it on warm, so I'm going to turn off keep warm off. I'm going to put it on high pressure. Right, it's on. Oh God, no, it's going off again. Right, so I've got to bring my time back up. Right, right, so 30 minutes high pressure, not keep warm. Right, I'm going to press start. Yeah, I am going to press start. I can always run. Right, It's going to take a few minutes to warm up. Oh God, wait, that's on. Right, so that's going to take, I don't know if it takes 5 minutes to warm up, so I'm just going to have a quick talk about it while it's warming up. The capacity of the pressure cooker is 5.7 litres, which can serve up to 4 to 6 people. So if you batch, I like to batch cook, so if you're batch cooking, this would be great. It's no competition for this. It'd be brilliant. So I can freeze a lot of the food that I do, and I do that a lot for my grandson as well. So he has a lot of good healthy meals put in the freezer when I do all my batch cooking. The weight of the machine itself is 5.4 kg. The model and the power supply. The model is CMC-CO601-SUK. The rated power is 1100 watts on this machine. Yeah, so I'm just having a quick breeze through it. They've also got on this booklet, you can contact our chefs. Our helpful in-house chefs are ready to assist you with any questions you might have. It's clicking, it's getting a bit warmer. Right, anyway, I might not sit near it too much longer. Okay, right, so so that's that. Yeah, so I think Cosori are quite good when it comes to aftercare, from what I've learned. I'm just going to move away. I'll see you in a bit. Right, okay, the warming process has done now on this. So the timer's just come up to say it's going to be 30 minutes on it. I can actually smell it. I can, cooking. It's very quiet now. It was making me a bit nervous before, because when it was I presume, heating up and everything, it was making like a bit of a hissing noise every now and then. So it's like, but yeah, it's quieting down now and it's not making any more noises. So I'll just watch the time. So in about 30 minutes, I'll get back to you and let you know how it's going on. Right, we seem to have 1 minute to go. It's supposed to beep 10 times when it's finished. Yeah. Woo! Right, that's it now, isn't it? Right. I've got to press the button. Oh dear. Oh God, that wasn't too bad. Right, we'll let that carry on. I'll be back in a minute. That little thing's gone down now, so it means I can open it now. Yeah, let me see now. It's right, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, right, there we go. Right, it smells lovely. All right, I'm just going to put my probe in just to make sure it's cooked. Yeah, no, I'm going to put it on for a bit longer because it's going up to 50. So I'm thinking, because it was such a big piece, maybe another 15 minutes. So line the 2 buttons up. I think that's it, is it? Oh, jeez. Let me get it on. Oh, crikey. Why am I not doing it right? Okay, we'll just get a little bit stuck there. So what you need to do, because it's still venting again, you just push that up again, and then now it'll lock. So that's all I was doing wrong. So I'm going to put it on for an extra 15 minutes. Okay, it's just beeped after 15 minutes, so I'm going to press the button. Yeah, really pleased that's going up to 90. So right, okay, I've got the potatoes in now. I've used the juice from the ham in there. I've put it on for 10 minutes on high pressure. So I'm going to see what that's like in 10 minutes. So I'll be back to you shortly. Meanwhile, it's a chef's privilege to taste a bit of the meat. So I'm going to try a little piece. Well, I've already tried these. Oh, that is really nice. Breaks up in the mouth. It is so tender, it's unreal. Absolutely gorgeous, and the flavours that are in it as well. That's really, really nice. I'm going to look forward to my dinner. Can't wait for the spuds, especially when you've got the flavour of the juices and everything. As soon as the spuds are done, I'm going to pop the cabbage in. That I say will only take less than, well, maybe 5 minutes. But that's lovely. You don't know what you're missing. Right, 10 minutes is up. We're going to see what the potatoes are like, whether they need any longer or not. So I'm just going to press the button. Right, and we're going to open it up. Ooh. Oh wow. I'm going to take these out, put them in the bowl, and then I'm going to pop in the cabbage. Right, so I'm going to clear that. I've got the cabbage in now. I think I'm just going to put the cabbage on for 5 minutes. So pressure, keep it on high. Right, there we go. Start. So I'm going to cut that for 5 minutes because the potatoes are done, but they're starting to crack slightly. So I'll say 8 minutes would have been enough for the potatoes. But they're still keeping the form. Oh, right. Now, yeah, hopefully now it's done. Look at the eyes twitching. Give me a nervous breakdown, this pressure cooker. It's good. I'm just getting used to it. When I get more, I'm getting confident with it. I suppose the more I use it, the more confident I'll be. Lovely. So I'm just going to dish this out now. So we'll have enough for tomorrow's tea as well. And I can freeze the dinner.
That's enough for me. Oh,
wow. This is going to warm you up. Right. I'm going to get stuck into my dinner. It smells gorgeous and I've been looking forward to this. Let's see what the cabbage is like. Nice. Not too soft but not too hard. The potatoes. Yeah, just right. Yeah, nice bit of flavour. Nice bit of flavour. Yeah. Yeah, you can really taste the cabbage, so that's yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It's really nice. Right, so don't forget, let me know if you subscribe to the channel by leaving me a message in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.